Hello, dear students. We're going to spend the next 6 minutes or so discussing Caesar's English Word Stems, Lesson 15. Make sure that you have your interactive notebook ready so that you can copy down the stems and stem meanings when the time comes. Listen to me say these stems and meanings out loud. You can say them along with me if you like. Ject means throw, dorm means sleep, magn means great, ver means true, impute means think. Ject means throw. For example, if a CD player ejects the CD, it's throwing it out. I begged the computer to eject the disk quickly so that I could escape my pursuers safely. Other words that include the stem ject are reject, interject, and project. The next stem is dorm, and it means sleep. Dormitory is a place where we sleep. Usually college students stay in dormitories. College students live and sleep in tiny, messy rooms called dormitories. Clean it up, pal. Another word that includes the stem dorm is dormant, and that is one who sleeps, or a thing who sleeps. For example, plants that are dormant during the wintertime are asleep, and then they reawaken in the spring. Magn means great, such as magnify, to make something great or large. My teacher warned, always read the fine print. So now I carry a magnifying glass in my pocket. Other words that include the stem magn are magnificent, and that's the state of being great or fantastic. Magnetic is pertaining to a great attraction. Something that is magnetic tends to pull things to it. And magnanimous, very similar in meaning to magnificent. It's a state of being great of mind or great in generosity. Ver means true, such as in the word verdict. That means to say the truth. The jury's verdict stated that the man was innocent and should not go to jail. Other words that include this stem are verify, to find the truth, veracity. Someone who has veracity is full of truthfulness. Finally, pute means think. To dispute is to think away from someone else. The dispute revealed how far apart their ideas really were. So they were not thinking the same. Other words that include this stem are compute, or to put thoughts together and think. Think together. Reputation, the condition of being thought of again. Okay, here's your chart. Please copy this down into your interactive notebook. If you need to pause the video, go ahead and do that now. Make sure that you have 3 columns, one for the stem, one for the meaning, and then one for the example word. Here are the sentences, just in case you'd like to copy these down. Rewind this video if you need to. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and get started on the Caesar's English Lesson 15 activity. You should have this chart on the very last page of your brand new Language Arts Spiral. 3 columns, one for the stem, one for the meaning, and one for the example. Right beneath this chart, I want you to go ahead and write the word mission, and then what this mission is. In this case, we're creating vocabulary window panes for each one of the stems. Next, you're going to draw a rectangle that's going to take up about half the page. And then you're going to divide this rectangle into 4 different sections with a circle in the center. In the circle, we're going to choose a stem and write the stem and the meaning. And that's the stem that we're going to work with this specific window pane. In the top left corner, you're going to write 2 or 3 words that include the stem ject, reject, inject, and interjection. In the top right corner, you're going to write a sentence with one of the words that you just wrote. The man rejected the invitation. In the bottom left corner, you're going to write a synonym-antonym pair. Discard is a synonym for throw. Synonym means same. Keep is an antonym for throw. Antonym means opposite. In the bottom right corner, you're going to draw a picture that helps you remember that ject means throw. I'm going to draw a picture of a ball going really quickly. And this is a complete window pane for the stem ject. You're going to need to create 4 more window panes, 1 for each stem in lesson 15. Just turn the page over. Start by drawing a rectangle at the top of the page. And then fill in each section of the window pane. Remember to get a check mark from Mrs. Scanlon or Mrs. Logeman as soon as you get all 5 complete.